Hello, my name is Rahmah Binti Rabha and my student ID 2022807807 and 842. I want to present about Chapter 6 Annuity, Question 1. Jason wants to buy a house, but he does not have enough money. He only has 10,000 in his account, which he will use for the down payment. The cash price for the house that he wanted to buy is 300,000 ringgit. He is now considering borrowing money from Amanah Kaya Crop. The information is as follows. Question A. If Jason plans to loan for 25 years, calculate the predicted payment and total interest charge for Fund A. So we use formula S equal R 1 plus K divided M minus 1 and divided K divided M. So our S is 290,000 ringgit equal R. We don't have R, so we put R only. So 1 plus 0.035 divided 12 and minus 1. Divided again 0.035 divided 12. So the answer is 605 and 98 cents. The answer is not the only debt because we want to find interest. So interest I equal S minus NR. So I equal S is 290,000 ringgit minus 300. So the answer is 108, 206. Question B. If Jason failed to make the first 3 payments, how much should he pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? So the formula is S equal R 1 plus K divided M minus 1 divided K divided M. So our S is 605 and 98 cents. And then 1 plus 0.035 divided 12 divided again 0.035 divided 12. So the answer S4 is 2040. So the answer is 2,434 and 55 cents. That's it.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aizatul Ilyani binti Abdul Karim. My student number is 2022847053. This presentation will be presented by me, Aizatul Ilyani, and my teammates. Okay, next question is question C. If Jason wants to settle his loan immediately after paying for 23 years, calculate the total amount that Jason needs to pay for his outstanding loan. The formulas that we use is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus K over M power of negative N over K over M. So, we need to find A. So, A equal to 605 ringgit 0.88 cents 1 minus 1 plus 0.035 over 12 power of negative 24 over 0.035 over 12. So the answer is A equal to RM 14,000 and 2,643 cents. So we move to the next question, which is question D. If Jason still plans to loan for 25 years, calculate the predicted payment and total interest charged for Fund B. So we use formulas S equal to R 1 plus K over M power of MT minus 1 over K over M. So the ways to solve this question is RM 290,000 equal to R 1 plus 0.042 over 4 power of 4 times by 25 minus 1 over 0.042 over 4. So we use shift solve function, then we get the answer is R equal to 1,653 ringgit 05 cents. So for the interest charge for fund B is 1 equal S minus NR. So I equal to 2,900 minus 100 times by 1,653 ringgit 05 cents. We got the answer for interest is I equal to RM 124,695 ringgit. Then for question E, which fund should he choose for the loan? Explain your answer. And my answer is fund A because the interest is lower than fund B.
My name is Hanisya Binti Eli and my magic number is 2022847526. So I will represent to you chapter 7, which is trade and cash discount. Question 2. Elite Sport Company received an invoice with cash discount term of 5/10, 2/20, and N/16 for the following item on 12 October 2022. The item is badminton racket, ping pong pedal, and the tennis racket. For the badminton racket, the quantity is 13 and the price is 85. For the ping pong pedal, the quantity is 25 and the price is 46 ringgit 50 cent. For tennis racket, 15 and the price is 159. So the transportation cost is 120 and the handling charge are 30 ringgit. All items are subject to 30% and 8% trade discount. So the first question is A. Find the single trade discount equivalent. So we use this formula. D equal 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2. So the we put all the information into the formula, so it will be D equal 1 minus 0.1 and 1 plus 1 minus 0.08. So it will be 0.172. So from decimal we convert into the percent, that it will be 70.20%. For the question B, find the net price of the all item purchased. So the quantity we multiply into the list price, so the total is 6,097 ringgit 50 cent. Then we provide the formula, which is net price equal list price minus cost 1 minus D plus C. So we put all the information into that. It will be 6,079 ringgit 50 cent. 1 minus 0.1172 plus 120 ringgit plus 30 ringgit. So it will be 73 cent.
Hello everyone, my name is Hana Maisarah Binti Wasli and my ID student is 2022847384. So for chapter 7, Trade and Cash Discount, I will be presented about the question C and D. So for question C, they ask when is the last day to get a 5% cash discount and 2% cash discount. And lastly, for question G, If the invoice was paid in full on 28 October 2022, find the total amount due and find the total amount of discount received. So for the answer for question C1, 5 days before 10 days. 5 days refers to 12 October, so 12 October plus 10 days, we will get 22nd October 2022 for the final answer. Apart from that, for question C2, 2% before 20 days. 2% refers to 12 October 2022, and for the answer, we have to count 12 October 2022 plus 20 days, which we will get 1st November 2022 for the C2 question. For the answer for question D1, to find the total amount due, TP equals to, in a bracket, 6,097 ringgit 50 cent, in a bracket, 1 minus 0.172, in a bracket, 1 minus 0.02 plus 150, and equals to, you will get the answer, 5,097 ringgit 76 cents. And lastly, for question D2, how to find the total amount of discount received is, you just have to minus the 6,097 ringgit 50 cent and 5,097 ringgit 76 cents together, and you will get 999 ringgit 74 cents for the answer.
Hi, this is our team. First Irdina, second Haledda, third Syafiqah, and the last is Syukrinna. First, we want to present annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payment made usually at equal interval of time. In an ordinary annuity certain, we will discuss on annuity certain for which payment are made at the end of each payment period. This is example of annuity. First, insurance policy and annual dividends. This is a formula of present value. A equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I minus N over I. Future value S equal R in bracket 1 plus I over N minus 1 over I. It is the term used in formula stand for S equal future value, A for present value, R periodic payment, I interest period, N for term of investment. This is question 1. Jason wants to buy a house, but he does not have enough money. He only has 2,000 in his account, which he will use for the down payment. The cash price for the house that he wants to buy is 400,000. He is now considered borrow money from Amanah Kaya Corp. The information is as follow. K equal 0.04, M equal 12, T equal 30, S equal 40000 minus 2000 equal 38000. N equal M in bracket N equal 360. I equal K over M equal 0.04 over 12 equal 1 over 300. Question 1a. If Jason plans to loan for 30 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charged for Fund A. First, we must use formula of future values. First, we must find the R. So, we must use the future value formula. So, we can use the interest formula. The formula is I equal S minus NR. So, I equal 380,000 minus 360 in bracket 547.15 bracket. So the total answer is I equal RM 18296.40. Question B. If Jason failed to make the first 4 payment, how much should he pay on the fifth payment to settle all the outstanding area? So N equal 4 areas plus payment on 5 months. So we must use formula this. S equal R in bracket 1 plus I over N minus 1 over I. S5 equal 547.15 bracket 1 plus 1 over 300. 5 minus 1 over 1 over 300. So, the answer is RM2755.86. Question C. If Jason wants to settle his loan immediately after paying for 28 years, calculate the total amount that Jason needs to pay for his outstanding loan. So the question given is 28 years equal 336 months and equal 360 minus 336 equal 24. So we must use formula present value. The formula is A equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I minus N over I. Then we must insert the question given. So the answer is RM12608.20. Next question D. If Jason still plans to loan for 30 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charged for Fund B. So we must use future value formula. S equal 380,000, J equal 0.038, M equal 6, I equal K over M equal 0.038 equal 6 equal 19 over 3000. So N equal M bracket T equal 180. The formula is S equal R in bracket 1 plus I over N minus 1 over I. Then we must insert the question given. Before we find the I, we must find the R answer. So we must use the future value formula. So the answer for R is RM1137.61. After that, we use the interest total formula. The formula is I equal S minus NR. So the total interest is RM175230.20. Next, this is question last for chapter annuity. Which fund should he choose for the loan? Explain your answer. So the answer is Fund B because the interest is lower than Fund A.
We want to present Chapter 7, Trade and Cash Discount. The introduction trade and cash discount is normally are given on the price of the products, not on the other costs that may be involved in handling or delivering the products. Can be considered a deduction from the list price of catalog price of an item. It is normally given in percentage, trade discount rate, and trade discount. Section discount is also known as multiply discount or series discount. A trade discount in a series of two or more series discount is offered by the manufacturer on the same good. In there are two discount rates, discount 1 and discount 2 in the chain discount. The formula becomes net price equal list price minus cost, 1 minus discount 1 and 1 minus discount 2. So this is the formula of trade and cash discount. There are 6 formulas. So I want to read the question. The question is, Early Sport Company received an invoice with term of 6/10, 3/20, and N/60 for the following items on 25 September 2022. There are 3 items, which is badminton racket. The quantity is 55 and the list price per unit is 120. The second item is ping pong paddle. The quantity is 30. The list price per unit is 62. The last item is tennis racket. The quantity is 12 and the list price per unit is 139. The transportation cost is 125 and the handling charges are 40. All items are subject to 12% and 6% trade discount.
A. Find the single trade discount equivalent. Round off your answer to 4 decimal place. CD equals 6/10, 3/20, N/60. And P equal 125 plus 40 equal RM165. Discount 1 equal 0.12. Discount 2 equal 0.06. SDE equal 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 0.12 in bracket 1 minus 0.06. The answer is 17.28%. D. Find the net price of all item purchased. The formula is net price equal in the bracket list price minus cost in the bracket 1 minus discount plus cost. The total of all item purchased is RM10128. So the net price equal list price, which is 10128 in the bracket 1 minus 0.1728 plus 165. So the net price is RM at 542.88. The last date to get a 6% cash discount is 25 September 2022 plus 10 days. So the last date is 5 October 2022. Then the last date to get a 3% cash discount is 3 September 2020 plus 20 days. So the last date to get a 3% cash discount is 15 October 2022. D. If the invoice was paid in full on 10 October 2022, the total amount due 25 September to 10 October 2020 is 15 days, so the discount is 0.03. The total price is 10128 in the bracket 1 minus 0.1728 in the bracket 1 minus 0.03 plus 165 equal RM at 291.55. The total amount of discount received is 10128 minus 829.58 equal RM 9298.42. That's all from B. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisha Naqibah binti Halmah.
My name is Siti Khadijah binti Eli alias Narafit, and my student ID is 2022642746.
My name is Nuur Azmina binti Derus. My student number is 2022847502.
My name is Syukrinna binti Awang Ali. My student ID is 2022 at 24488. I will pass this presentation to Farisha to present chapter 6 annuity.
I want to explain the question 1. The question asks, Jason wants to buy a house, but he does not have enough money. He only has 25,000 ringgit in his account, which he will use for the down payment. The cash price for the house that he wanted to buy is 450,000 ringgit. He is now considering borrowing money from Amanah Kaya Corp. The information is as follows. Fund A, interest rate was 3.5%. Compounded frequency was monthly. So, the question, if Jason plans to loan 35 years, calculate the predict payment and total interest charged for Fund A. The cost of the house was 450,000 ringgit, and he get the down payment, which is 25,000 ringgit. The cost of the house minus the down payment, then he will get 435,000 ringgit. Okay, the periodic payment, you can use a formula, which is 425,000 equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 7 per 2,400 bracket minus 420 and minus all of that. Then you minus the I. The I is 7 per 2,400. Then you close the bracket, and you got the solve. You solve all that. Then R, you will get 107,056 ringgit point 49 cent. Interest rate, you can use the I formula. I equals to NR minus A, which is 420 bracket 1756.48 close the bracket minus 4,420 and 25,000 ringgit, and you will get the interest was 3127 to 1.6. Questions B. If Jason failed to make the first 5 payment, how much should he pay on the 6th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So, and 5 arrears plus the payment of 6 months equals to 6. Then you can use the S formula as 6 equals to 1756.49 big bracket, then over the above you can put the bracket, small bracket, 1 plus 7 over 2,400 close the bracket, power of 6 minus 1 over 6 over 2,400, then you close the bracket, then you got the S was 10,660 ringgit 0.1 cents. Question C asks, if Jason wants to settle his loan immediately after paying for 33 years, calculate the total amount that Jason needs to pay for his outstanding loan. So 33 years divided by 33 years multiply with 12 months, and you get 396 months, and the end 420 minus 396, and you will get 24. So you can use the formula A, 24, small 24 equals to 1756.49 big bracket over the above you can put the 1 minus bracket 1 plus 7 over 2,400 close the bracket over minus 24 power of minus 24 and over 7 over 2,400, and you close the bracket. So the final answer, and you will get 40,656 ringgit 0.93 cents.
Question D. If Jason still plans to loan for 35 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charged for Fund B. So the formula we use is A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of negative n divided by I bracket. So A is 450000 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 3.5 divided by 12 bracket to the power of negative 20 divided by 3.5 equal to 12. So R is RM 131,964.81. So the total interest is I equal to NR minus A. 20 bracket 131,964.81 bracket minus 450000. I is equal to RM 2189296.20. For questions E, which fund should he choose for the loan? Explain your answer. The answer is fund should Jason choose for the loan is Fund A because Fund A more worth it than Fund B, which purchase RM 1756.49.
Chapter 7 Trade and Cash Discount. Question 2. Elite Sport Company received an invoice with cash discount terms of 7 per 10, 4 per 20 and N per 60 for the following items on 25 August 2022. There are 3 items that has been listed. The first one is badminton racket with 33 quantity and the list price per unit is RM 100 ringgit and 90 cent. The second item is ping pong paddle with 65 quantity and the list price per unit is Rm57 ringgit. The last item is tennis racket with 26 quantity and the list price per unit is Rm94 ringgit and 20 cent. The transportation cost is Rm85 ringgit and the handling charge are Rm15 ringgit. All items are subject to 15% and 6% trade discount. Question 2A. Find the single trade discount equivalent. Round off your answer to 4 decimal places. For this question, we use formula SDE is equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1 in bracket 1 minus D2 in bracket 1 minus D3. D1, D2 and D3 is equal to trade discount. So for this question, we need to list out all of our trade discount information. And this question only have 2 types of trade discount. And the first one of trade discount is 15%, which is equal to 0.15. And the second one is 6%, that is equal to 0.06. Solution for this question is SDE is equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 0.15 in bracket 1 minus 0.06. SDE is equal to our answer 0.201. To get the 4 decimal places, we need to times our answer with 100. So 0.201 times 100. And our final answer is SDE is equal to 20.1%. Question 2B. Find the net price of all items purchased. So for this question, we use formula NP is equal to L in bracket 1 minus D1 in bracket 1 minus D2 and in bracket 1 minus DN. NP is equal to net price and L is equal to list price. For this question, we need to list out all of our information, which is list price and trade discount. List price that is equal to L is equal to Rm 9,482 ringgit and 90 cent. And for our trade discount, we only have 2 trade discount. And the first one is 15%, which is equal to 0.15. And the second trade discount is 6%, that is equal to 0.06. Solution for this question is NP is equal to Rm 9,483 ringgit and 90 cent in bracket 1 minus 0.15 and in bracket 1 minus 0.06. So we will get our NP that is equal to Rm 7,577 ringgit and 64 cent. That is our final answer.
Question C1. When is the last date to get an invoice started at 25th August 2022 with 7% cash discount? This question actually asks when is the last date to get a 7% cash discount. So, 7% equivalent to 10 days. To find the answer, we need to add 10 days after August 25th. And the answer is for September 2022. The last date to get the 7% cash discount is on for September 2022. Question C2. This question asks for 4% cash discount. It has the same solution as the previous question. We just need to add 20 days after 25th August because 4% equivalent to 20 days. And the answer of this question is 14th September 2022. Question D1. If the invoice was paid in full on October 9, 2022, find the total amount due. For this question, I use formula L in bracket 1 minus D1 in bracket 1 minus D2 in bracket 1 minus cash discount and plus other costs. 25th August until 9 October equivalent to 45 days. And to get the total of the other costs is the cost of transportation plus handling charge, which is 85 plus 50 equivalent to 130. This price is equivalent to 9,483.90. So the solution for this question is 9,483 83.90 in bracket 1 minus 0.15 in bracket 10.06 plus 130 equivalent to 7,707.64. Question D2. Find the amount of discount received. The formula that I use is D equivalent to L minus NB. So 9,483.90 minus 7,707 and 64 cents equivalent to 1,906 and 20 cents. So that is the final answer. We have come to the end of our presentation. Never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. That is all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Syafiqah Irdina Imanadira binti Sulaiman, and my matrix number is 2022-886684. I'm going to present about chapter 6 and chapter 7, which is annuity and cash and trade discount. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of periodic payment or deposit made in equal amount at equal intervals of time. Example given of annuity is rental payments, insurance policy, housing loan payments, and lastly, annual dividends. So, during the making of this question, I focus on two main formula, which is the future value formula and the present value formula. Question 1. Jason wants to buy a house, but he does not have enough money. He only has Rm 15,000 ringgit in his account, which he will use for the down payment. The cash price for the house that he wanted to buy is Rm 380,000 ringgit. He is now considering borrowing money from Amanah Raya Corp. The information is as below. Fund A, Amanah Raya, interest rate offer is 4.4%. And the compounding frequency is monthly. So, question A asks that if Jason plans to loan for 32 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for Fund A. In order to solve this question, we need to extract some of the information that are given from the previous question. So, I've extracted some. So, I found that T equals to 32, K equals to 0.044, M equals to 12, and we don't know the value of the R. So, the value of I is 0.044 multiplied by 12 and equivalent to 0.528, while the value of N is 12 multiplied by 32 and equivalent to 384. So I'm going to use the S formula, which is S equivalent to R, 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. So 380,000 ringgit equivalent to R 1 plus 0.044 power of 3084 minus 1 over 0.044 over 12. So the final answer for the R is 452.78 ringgit. But we also have to find the value of I, which is S minus NR. So 380,000 ringgit minus 384 multiplied by 452.70 cent, and the final round answer will be RM 206 1032.48 cents. If Jason failed to make the first two payments, how much should he pay on the third payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So I'm going to use the S formula over again. So S3 equals to R1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So S3 equals to 452.78 ringgit, 1 plus 0.044 over 12 power of 3 minus 1 over 0.044 over 12. So the final answer will be 1,363 ringgit point 33 cents. Question C. If Jason wants to settle his loan immediately after paying for 30.5 years, calculate the total amount that Jason needs to pay for his outstanding loan. So we need to use the formula A, which is A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. So A equivalent to 452.78 ringgit in bracket 1 minus 1.0.044 over 12 power of negative 30.5 over 0.044 over 12, and the final round answer will be RM 13043.00 ringgit. Question D. If Jason still plans to loan for 32 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for Fund B. Given here a new table that consists an information about Fund B, which is Bersama Maju. The total interest rate is 4.5% and the compounding frequency is every 2 months. So I'm going to use the S formula, which is S equivalent to R 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So 380,000 ringgit equivalent to R 1 plus 0.045 over 6 power of 33 minus 1 over 0.045 over 6, and the total round answer will be 10551.21 cents. So the final question, which is question E, asks that which fund that Jason should choose. So based from my point of view, Jason logically should choose Fund A because he could get more money, and the interest rate is lower compared to the Bersama Maju one, which is 4.4%.
Trade discount. Trade discount is a discount that is referred to as a discount given by the seller to the buyer at the time of purchase of goods. Cash discount. Cash discount is a discount from the purchase price allowed to a purchaser paying within a specific period.
Question 2. Elite Sports Company received an invoice with terms of 8/10, 4/20, and N/60 for the following items on 2 September 2022. For first item is badminton racket, 60 quantity, and the list price is 105 ringgit and 70 cents. Second item is ping pong paddle, 40 quantity, and the list price is 45 ringgit. The third item is tennis racket, quantity 24, and the list price is 160 ringgit and 60 cents. The transportation cost is 90 ringgit and the handling charges are 20 ringgit. All items are subject to 60% and 5% trade discounts. Question A. Find the signal trade discount equivalent. D equal 1 minus 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2. So we just subtract the answer from the above. So the answer is 0.202 times 100. The answer is 20.2%. Question B. Find the net price of all items purchased. The formula for net price is NP L1 minus D1, 1 minus D2. So we substitute all the information into this formula. So the answer is 40,260 and 50 cents. Question C. What is the last date to get A? For first question, 8% cash discount. To September 2022 plus 10 days equal 12 September 2022. Second, 4% cash discount, 12 December 2022 plus 20 days. So the answer is 1 December 2022. Question D. If the invoice was paid in full on 20 September 2022, find the total amount due. So for this question, the formula is net payment NP 1 minus CD plus cost. So we substitute all the information in this formula. So the answer is 9,213 and 68%. Next, find the total amount of discount received. D equal L minus NP. So the answer is 4046 and 47 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to everyone who is watching. So we are going to represent our group project from MAT112 from group 5.
Okay. About this present, we will discuss about chapter 6 and chapter 7. Chapter 6 is about annuity and chapter 7 is about trade and cash discount.
Enjoy the video.
Enjoy.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hizami bin Kamran. My matrix number is 2021606016.
And my name is Muhammad Nabil Zakwan bin Muhammad Ismail. And my matrix number is 2021450932. Question 1. Jason wants to buy a house, but he does not have enough money. He only has 25,000 ringgit in his account, which he will use for the down payment. The cash price for the house that he wanted to buy is 550,000 ringgit. He is now considering borrowing money from Amanah Kaya Corp. The information is as follows. The interest that Amanah Kaya Corp charge is 5.5% and it will be compounded monthly.
Question A. If Jason plans to loan for 28 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for Fund A. Answer this question, we will use formula S equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. Find the periodic payment, 525,000 equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus 11 over 2,400 power of 336 minus 1 over 11 over 2,400 close bracket. And the answer is RM 659 and 57 cents. And the formula to answer the interest is I equal to S minus NR. And we will get 525,000 minus 336 open bracket 659 57 cents and close bracket. The answer is RM 303,384 ringgit 8 cent. For question B, if Jason failed to make the first 4 payments, how much should he pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding area? To answer this question, the formula that we will use is S equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I, close bracket. And the answer is S5 equal to 659.57 ringgit, open bracket, 1 plus 11 over 2400 power of 5 minus 1 over 11 over 2400 close bracket. The answer is 3,328 ringgit 22 cent. For question C, if Jason want to settle his loan immediately after paying for 26.5 years, calculate the total amount that Jason need to pay for his outstanding loan. The formula that we will use is A equal to R, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus I, power of minus n over I, close bracket. The answer for this question is A equal to 659 ringgit 57 cents, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 11 over 2,400, power of minus 18 over 11 over 2,400 close bracket, and it will be 11,370 ringgit and 74 cent.
My name is Muhammad Nabil Zakwan and I will answer the rest of question. For question D is, if Jason still plan to loan for 28 years, calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for Fund B. In the table, the interest that Bersama Maju charge is 5.2% and it will be compounded quarterly. For this question, it will use formula S equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus I, power of n minus 1 over I, close bracket. For the periodic payment is 525,000 equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus 0.013 power of 112 minus 1.
The transportation cost is RM 115 and the handling charges are RM 40. All items are subject to 10% and 7% trade discount. A. Find the single trade discount equivalent. Round off your answer to 4 decimal places. It's easy. We just need to know the formula. Formula is D equal to 1 minus, no minus, 1 minus D1, D1 equal to 10%, and 1 minus D2, and we know that D2 equal to 7%. I forgot. We need to minus it. Okay, just get all the trade discount. D equal to 1 minus 0.1, and then 1 minus 0.07. Just calculate it with calculator and we got the answer. And the answer is D equal to 1.163. This is the answer. It's easy. Okay. Now, question B. Find the net price of all items purchased. Okay. Now, we need to know the price of all the items quantities. We need to take this price, list the items. Badminton, $101.55 times 53. Ping pong, times 44. Good. And 10 is 122 times 80. Find all this answer, the calculator, and then we plus all of the answer from these items. Okay, for badminton, we get 376.85. And for ping pong, we get 2,738. And for tennis, we get 2,196. That's all of this price. Then we get the list price. Let's say it's RM 1,385. Okay, now we need to put the formula. The formula is NP equal to LP. As I said, find the net price. So we need to find NP, net price. LP, okay. Bracket 1 minus D, and you get the answer. Just calculate all of this and get the answer. The answer is NP equal to Rn for 8,621.81 cents. And this is the answer.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad bin Nuur. So I will continue the answer and the questions from Ibrahim question, which is question C. So question C asks us when is the last day to get a 5% cash discount and a 3% cash discount. So from the question given, we all know that the question told us that we get the 5% discount if we paid within 10 days. So from the invoice date, we get the 3 October 2022. We just only need to plus 10 days. Because if we pay within 10 days, we will get the 5% cash discount. So the answer will be 13 October 2022. And then we will answer the questions for second problem. So the concept is still the same. From the invoice date, and we all know that if we pay within 20 days, we will get the 3% cash discount. So from the invoice date over here, 3 October 2022, we just only need to plus 20 days over here, and the answer will be 23 October 2022. That is the last answer. We continue for the next question, which is D. The question D asks us if the invoice was paid in full on 22 October until 22 October 2022. So the first things we need to know that the cash discount that we get before the date. So it is start from 3 October until 22 October 2022. So the day was only 19 days. So the invoice was paid before the 20 days, so we get the 3% discount. So this is the formula to get the answer from the question given. So we just need to put it. The list price is, we all know that the answer is from Ibrahim question. So Ibrahim answer is, the list price is 10,300.85, and then 1 minus D. The D is 0.163, and 1 minus C. CD is 3%, so we get 0.03, and then plus other charge, which is 155 ringgit. So the final answer, calculate, the answer is RM 8,518.16 ringgit. We continue the second Roman answer, which is they ask us to find the total amount of discount received. So this is the formula. We all know that D equals to L, which is here, and this is the answer. We just put in 10,300.85 cents minus the net price over here, RM 8,518.16 cents, and the answer will be, calculate the answer, and the answer will be 1,782.69 ringgit. Oh, Ibrahim. That's all from us, and thank you for lending me your ears and eyes.
Thank you all. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.